Indesit IWSC51251 Washing Machine. The highly economical washing machine. The Indesit IWSC51251 washing machine is a 5 kg load washing machine that has a range of features and programs. This machine also has the economy wash function that is designed to wash small loads. The economy function of this Indesit washing machine will also use minimal amounts of water and energy. Economy features of this Indesit washing machine are: 1. 1200 RPM high spin feature removes much water from clothes. 2. Eco time option to wash smaller loads quickly and efficiently. 3. Energy saver option for cotton, synthetic and jeans wash programs. 4. Up to 16 special programs to wash different fabrics optimally. Click below to learn more about this product at Amazon.